Most unhealthy jobs held by millions of Americans. 1. Desk job. Numerous employees believe sitting at a desk all day is one of the unhealthiest things you can do. But the truth is a bit more complicated. While sitting for long periods can increase your risk of obesity, heart disease, and other health problems, it's not the sitting itself that's the problem. It's the lack of physical activity. 2. Truck driver. People in the forum agree that truck driving is a physically demanding job involving long hours and irregular schedules. While it can be a high-paying job without a college degree, drivers may be exposed to diesel exhaust, harming their health. 3. Factory workers are often exposed to hazardous materials and chemicals that can cause respiratory problems, skin irritation, and long-term health complications. 4. Construction worker. Construction workers are exposed to various hazardous materials and are often required to engage in physically demanding tasks. This work can cause back injuries, joint pain, and respiratory problems. 5. Healthcare workers are often exposed to infectious diseases and must work long hours under stressful conditions. Many users say this could result in high stress levels, burnout, and mental health issues. 6. Hairstylist. Did you ever think about the dangers involved in styling hair? Hairstylists are exposed to various chemicals and fumes that can cause skin irritation, respiratory problems, and cancer. 7. Chef. Working as a chef often involves spending extended hours in a hot and high-pressure environment, which can significantly affect a person's physical and mental well-being. The long hours of standing and performing repetitive tasks in the kitchen can cause back pain and other physical discomforts. 8. Police officer. Police officers are often exposed to violent and traumatic situations that can lead to mental health problems, such as PTSD. Additionally, the long hours and unpredictable schedules can make it challenging to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Finally, some put their lives at risk by responding to domestic violence and other dangerous calls. Perhaps this is why it falls on the list of potentially high-paying jobs nobody wants. 9. Call center representatives spend hours sitting in front of a computer screen and answering phone calls. This sedentary lifestyle can lead to back pain, neck pain, and poor circulation. 10. Office cleaner. Finally, office cleaners are often required to work in poorly ventilated areas and are exposed to various cleaning chemicals that can cause respiratory problems, skin irritation, and cancer. It's important to remember that every job comes with its own set of risks and challenges, and that there are steps that can be taken to mitigate these risks and promote overall health and well-being.